Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss about reactivity of this aromatic compounds towards aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction, right? Before we I'm going to discuss about the reasons why and all those things, right? Initially I'll give you the order. What is the reactivity towards electrophilic substitution reaction? We have pyrrole, furan, thiophene, benzene, followed by what is that, pyridine is there, right? Now the reactivity towards aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction is going to be something like this. Okay, why is that? Okay, now first see the number of delocalizing pi electrons are in all the rings are going to be 6, right? 6 pi electrons are there in the first 3 compounds, right? 5 members are sharing the 6 electrons over there, but here 6 members are going to share the 6 electrons over there. Comparatively, where the electron density is more, 5 member ring with 6 electron is the electron density is more, right? That's what this 5 membered. Okay, this five member rings are more reactive towards aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Why the aromatic in this 5 member ring, right? Why this particular order? Why we can't say the equal reactivity towards aromatic electrophilic substitution means. Now if we take nitrogen and oxygen, right? Nitrogen and oxygen, their valence shell is going to be 2p. 2p orbitals are there. Two second shell orbitals are there involved in the this one, right? Hybridization over there. We have 2p orbitals of 2s and 2p orbitals of carbon also, right? Here and here also. What's happening this nitrogen and oxygen with the same level of energy orbital, the extent of overlapping with the carbon is going to be more comparatively with the sulfur because it is 3p, right? And okay, we have discussed in terms of this one, right? What is that extent of overlapping, right? Now let us see why nitrogen and oxygen is differing over there towards reactivity. It is because of electronegativity. Okay, when electronegativity of the oxygen is more, what happens is that electron density is shifting towards takes place towards oxygen, right? When shifting takes place towards oxygen, what happens? Electron density on the ring comparatively decreases with the pyrrole over there. That's what furan is less reactive than that of furan is less reactive than that of pyrrole over there. Okay, now let us discuss 5 member ring, how the reactivity takes place with the electrophilic substitution reaction, right? Let me take the pyrrole over here. This is the pyrrole, right? Now let us see how the delocalization takes place. Since nitrogen is donating the electrons into the ring, gets a positive charge. Electron shifting takes place at this particular carbon, that's what it is negative, and that is what it is, right? Again delocalization takes place. Again delocalization. Again delocalization takes place. Okay, now here also again same kind of delocalization takes place. Again delocalization. And finally, this is what will happens. We get the initial structure what we had earlier, right? Yeah, this is the structure which we had earlier, right? Now during this delocalization, what is happening? All the carbons are getting negative charge, right? Now we have let us take a numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 4 member ring is getting negative charge. Second member, and it is fifth position, sorry, fourth position, second position, and fifth position, third position, right? And except the first position, right, nitrogen, on the ring everywhere we are getting negative charge, right? We can expect that substitution takes place at all the positions of the ring, right? But it is not so. Why it is not so means we have to see the stability of the respective sigma complex. Now if substitution takes place at third, second and fifth position, right? Let me take the second position over here. Okay, this is the third position, this is the second and third position, right? Let me take an electrophile over there. Okay, if the ring attacks the electrophile over there, if electrophile comes at the second position, what happens? Now we got carbocation at this particular position, right? This carbocation stabilized with the adjacent pi electrons over there. When it stabilizes, what happens? This carbon gets the carbocation. If not at the second position, right? Let us assume it is going to be at the third position. This carbon got the carbocation, right? Now this particular carbocation will be stabilized with this electrons over there. When this electron stabilization takes place, what happens? Now which atom is going to get the positive charge? Since electrons are shifting away from the nitrogen gets the positive charge, and that is what will happen, right? Let me write it over there. Here what is the atom is going to get the positive charge over there? Carbon. There is a carbon over here. This is a positive charge. Yeah. Now what do we have to think over here is that, what we have to understand over here is that, now during the delocalization, right, in the second step, which atom is gonna get positive charge? Here we have nitrogen with a positive charge, here we have carbon with a positive charge, right? One thing we have to remember, more electronegative atom with negative charge is highly unstable. Now nitrogen is comparatively more electronegative with a carbon, right? That's what nitrogen with positive charge is highly unstable, because of which this is going to be the relative stable. That's what we can expect the substitution at the second position. Here on the pyrrole ring, right, we have second position and we have fifth position, right? These two are identical on the ring, right? That's what on 5-membered ring, generally second comma fifth position, 2 comma fifth position, electrophilic substitution reaction takes place. And now let us see how the delocalization takes place in pyridine. Okay, this pi electron shifting takes place towards nitrogen. After shifting, what happens? Towards nitrogen shifting is taking place, right? That's what nitrogen gets a negative charge, adjacent carbon gets a positive charge, and again this pi bonds and cation are in conjugation, right? Again delocalization takes place. When delocalization takes place, what happens? Now here we will get the double bond and this carbon gets a positive charge. Again, what is this? This pi bonds are in conjugation with the cation, right? Again delocalization takes place. Here also we are getting positive charge, right? And again this negative charge anion and cation delocalization takes place over there. During the delocalization, what happens? We'll get the structure like initial one, right? Yeah. Okay, this is how the delocalization takes place. Now what I would like to tell you is, during this delocalization, right, where we are getting positive charge, we are getting positive charge on the ring, right? Because of which electrophilic substitution won't readily takes place on the pyridine ring. Okay, that's why it's the least reactive one in the following orders which we have discussed earlier, right? Okay, at normal condition, right, at normal condition, electrophilic substitution reaction won't takes place in pyridine. Why it won't takes place means, what we have to say, during the delocalization what is happening? positive charge on the ring is happening, right? Electron density is decreasing on the ring, right? Because of which at normal condition electrophilic substitution reaction won't takes place, okay? And at extremely high temperature, and strong electrophile reaction takes place. But without any high temperature and this kind of conditions, right, one thing will takes place over here. What is that particular thing means? Nucleophilic substitution reaction readily takes place. Why nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place? Nucleophile is negatively charged, are electrons sufficient, right? It comes to the places where electron deficiency is there. Where the electron deficiency is there, the second position, fourth position and the sixth position, right? Nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place at 4th and 6th one, right? But electrophilic substitution takes place at 3, 5th position on the periodic ring. This is how the general data about how the reactivity takes place. If we are saying at this particular position electrophilic substitution taking place, means what we have to say, the respective sigma complex is going to be more stable. For example, let us take naphthalene over here. Naphthalene, right? Now these two positions are known as alpha beta positions, right? This is also alpha, this is beta, alpha beta. Now let us take at alpha position substitution, electrophilic substitution, and at beta position electrophilic substitution, okay? How this one takes place? Now let us take at alpha position. Okay, now to stabilize this one, what happens? The adjacent pi electron shifting takes place, right? Here where we will get the positive charge electrophile and hydrogen, right? Now let us take at the beta position, what is going to happen over here? If at beta position electrophile is going to come over there, carbocation will be generated at the alpha position, right? Let me take the bonds over here. Okay, what happens? These two are in conjugation, because of which delocalization takes place, something like this. When delocalization takes place, carbocation is generated on this particular carbon, right? Now in the first case, right, only one ring is involved over here, and the aromaticity of the first carbon is preserved or conserved or whatever. Okay, there is no disturbance in the aromaticity of the first ring over there. But when it comes to second ring, right, to stabilize a particular sigma complex, what is happening is that the double bonds from the first ring is also involving over there, because of which aromaticity of the first ring is also disturbed, right? Disturbed in the sense what? The second sigma complex is relatively unstable than that of first one. That's what at alpha position, normally at alpha position electrophilic substitution is favored when it comes to naphthalene over there, right? Why it is happening so means what we have to remember, the stability of the sigma complex, the respective sigma complex is more stable, because of which the electrophilic substitution taking place at the alpha position, right? That is how we have to remember and we have to understand this particular concept, right? Thank you for watching.